Welcome to the fascinating world of artichokes, a vegetable that captivates with its unique appearance and tantalizes with its distinctive flavor. This delightful gem, with its intriguing form and lush green hue, has been a coveted treasure in global cuisine for centuries, making its mark from the Mediterranean to the Americas. The artichoke, with its protective layers of leaves, hides a delicious secret within: the heart. This succulent core is a celebrated ingredient in countless dishes and dips. But don't overlook the leaves and stem. These parts, often discarded, can be transformed into flavorful concoctions with a little culinary creativity. From the ancient Romans to modern gourmands, the artichoke has inspired culinary adventures across time and culture. It's not just a vegetable, it's a testament to nature's ability to pack flavor, beauty, and health benefits into one unique package. Now that we've uncovered the allure of artichokes, it's time to explore their culinary versatility. Artichokes are a versatile ingredient, lending themselves to a variety of cooking techniques. They can be steamed, grilled, or even stuffed, each method highlighting a unique aspect of their delightful flavor. Steaming artichokes is a classic approach, softening their leaves and heart, perfect for dipping or using in salads. Grilling, on the other hand, imparts a smoky flavor that pairs wonderfully with a squeeze of fresh lemon or a drizzle of garlic-infused olive oil. And let's not forget the decadence of stuffed artichokes filled with a savory mix of breadcrumbs, cheese, and herbs. A simple yet delicious way to enjoy artichokes is by creating a creamy dip, combining artichoke hearts with garlic, cream cheese, and a handful of parmesan for a rich, tangy treat. This dip is a crowd pleaser, perfect for sharing with friends over a relaxed weekend. As we've seen, artichokes can enhance any dish, but let's not forget their impressive health benefits. Beyond their culinary appeal, artichokes pack a nutritional punch that can boost your well-being. These delightful vegetables are brimming with antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols that help shield our cells from oxidative stress, supporting overall health. Moreover, artichokes are a heart's best friend. Their high potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. When it comes to digestion, artichokes have got your back. They are a good source of fiber, fostering healthy digestion and a balanced gut microbiome. Artichokes also come equipped with compounds like cynarin and silymarin, which support liver health and aid in the body's natural detoxification processes. And if you're watching your weight, artichokes are a great choice. Low in calories and high in fiber, they promote satiety and aid digestion, assisting with weight management. Indeed, artichokes are a culinary delight with remarkable health benefits. So why not make them a part of your next meal?